Buenos dias, everyone. Buenos dias. Happy Thursday. How you guys doing? Turn down my volume just a bit. Right there. You guys, can you hear me good? Right? I put down the volume just a little bit so it doesn't sound too blurry. How you guys doing? Good morning. Morning, Cody. Morning, my Tweedledum Moto. What's up, bro? How you doing? Clearly, market's popping right now, and we don't chase. What's up, Philip? What's up, DC fan? Yeah, market's popping right now, and we don't chase. We do not chase. We wait for an opportunity. Smack your lips to check sound levels. How's that sound? No homo. Good morning, everybody. Welcome all in. Welcome in. Yeah. Yeah. We got a new form trade design right there, but god damn, bro, that shit's so overextended, bro. I don't know. I don't know. Now make a slurping sound. Fuck two. I'll be like Ann Japan last night. Fuck two. Spit on that thing. You feel me? You think Ann Japan gave her husband a oh I love you Pookie? No audio. What? What do you mean? You're back. Never mind. Oh, morning, Jerry. How you doing? Um, yeah, we got a new trade design here, but I'm not taking it because we got rejected off this level. So let's see. I don't want to play it too fast. I gotta see how this level reacts because we got a trade design, but we're super overbought. We're still good though until we're not. We're still good though until we're not. So we're gonna see what this trade design does. Because we are a little far away from the EMAs, which is not too good. And the candles just turned great, so the trade design didn't even held. So nothing to do yet. Nothing to do yet. What's MES doing? That shit's probably taken off, or it already took off. No, it's dying. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So we just wait for another trade design. XL has to keep going up. Okay, let's go to YM. Same thing. Major explosion coming back down. So we shall see. We should see what happens. Oh, but we have data at 10 a.m. So it's still gonna be a wild day, right? It's still gonna be a wild day. So let's lay out our trading rules. Let's lay them out so we can set the standard for the day. Hold myself accountable. Um, Yesterday I followed my rules to a T. Two trades, turn off my laptop. I was out of there. I went to go play Spider-Man 2 because I'm just now getting to Spider-Man 2. I got it like 2 weeks ago, and I'm like I play like 30 minutes at a time, and that shit's so gas, bro. Spider-Man 2 is so good, bro. God, I don't know how I didn't win Game of the Year, but that Spider-Man 2 is so good, bro. It's such an amazing story. Spider-Man is my favorite superhero, by the way. My trade of eight is lagging big time, lots of volume. Yeah, that tends to happen. So, okay, trade rules. Two trades. We're gonna keep on stating the obvious. No FOMO, no being a weak bitch. Only enter on trade designs. Um, target 1.5 on the day. What else? What else? What else? Uh, two trades, no FOMO, no being a big bitch. Only enter on trade designs. Target 1.5 in the day. Uh, and that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. Pretty straightforward rules. And just keep following the rules. Just keep being disciplined, and eventually you'll get it there. You'll make it there. By the way, I don't know if you're watching Gabe's stream. I am going to trade camp. Finally, I'm going to trade camp. So, and it's in August though. So, I still gotta wait like a whole another month and few weeks before trade camp happens. So, I'm not gonna have that trade camp knowledge. Until then, I'm just gonna keep on back testing and doing my thing and try to get to my goals just by myself. But obviously, trade camp is gonna help me a lot. I mean, clearly you can see the results that other people are having on their trade Zellas, which is fucking crazy. M2K was a dud, lost $63. Lexi, why did you take that trade, dude? Why did you take it, dude? I told you not to take it. Dude, I told you not to take it. We're I mean we were way too overbought and the trade design wasn't holding and we had a sensitivity to this level. So if you would have gotten at least a break of that level to enter the trade design, and that would have been smarter, dude. But you have RSI curling down, um, and everything is just super overbought. So the trade was not too good, dude, to be honest. So yeah. Let's do better next time, Lexi. Be patient for the design. If you're gonna take it again, at least wait for it to show up again. But yeah, we're a little bit overbought right now. Even though I mean RSI is not at 70, but still, you have to be a little bit more patient with these plays. Oh, I was in. Oh wait, I was in before you started. Oh shit. Okay, but still, what I say still stands. What I say still stands. Larry, first time on your channel, trying to get myself familiar with the indicators. Oh, welcome, Larry. Did you join Trade 1348? Glad you providing guidance. Oh, I appreciate it, dude. Um, this whole entire live stream is for our collective group to learn and improve together as a team. So that's why I do these live streams, and it helps me out to become a better trader because it makes me more disciplined. Um, and talking out loud with my thoughts, it helps me out and calms me down as a trader. Because in the market, you can't control what happens, but you can control the controllables, and the controllables are yourself. If you can control yourself and you can master yourself, then you'll be all right. Oh, you joined yesterday, dude? Nice, bro. Dude, were you the one that commented um on my YouTube video like yesterday or the day before? And I shared my affiliate link for Trade 1348. I don't know if it was you. I mean, regardless, I mean, the charts that you have, I mean, this right here, it probably looks the same, but the difference is the sub indicators. You probably have RSI spear strength, which looks like this. And then you probably have trend thrust, which is and you probably have trend thrust, which is something else on the indicators. But I mean, we use MACD because I use MACD because I'm just comfortable with MACD. It's just an option. It's just an option. But I mean, RSI is still the same. MACD still works somewhat similar to trend thrust. It just smooths out the price action. But I mean, at the end of the day, I love to follow Tiny AI. And they'll give you good indications to when to enter. So if you just take the trade designs on the entry, try to get it as close to the entry as possible, you'll be all right. But you can't take it blindly. Yes, submit to the system, but have a little bit of common sense. What's RSI doing? What's your trend thrust doing? If Tiny Eye is telling you to go long, is your sub indicators green? And if they are, then that's fine. You can take the trade. But you have to be mindful of like these predictive levels that you turn on your 1348 legends. If you go here, and then you go to predictive levels right there and make them pop. These are levels to be respected. Obviously, right here you have sensitivity to this level, and it got rejected off of it. So in order for me to take this trade design, I want it to start breaking it. It already tested it once. If it can break again, I'm probably gonna take it. But obviously, my risk is not going to be all the way down here. It's going to be probably underneath the low of this candle, just to manage my risk because I do know that we're trending up and we're overbought. Um, why do you specifically trade Russell? I specifically traded because I was back testing different tickers because I primarily like last week or something like that or 2 weeks ago I only traded MES, the S&P 500. But then I would find myself there were times where I would just be sitting around and not doing anything for 2 hours. And then I would look at other tickers and there's trade designs there and opportunities happening. So I decided to learn how this ticker moves, the Russell and YM, which is the Dow Jones. I decided to learn how it moves and trade those to find different opportunities and through my back testing, because last week I back tested like 40 hours and my performance on the Russell and YM was better than MES, and MES was the one I've been trading for like the past 4 months and I'm comfortable with it. But this like doing this one showed better results. Okay, let me stop talking because trade design happened. All right. All right, everybody shut the fuck up. Shit, don't run away from me. Come back a little bit. Come back a little bit. Come back. Oh, that's what I get for fucking talking too much. Let it pull back a little. Pull back a little bit. Pull back a little bit. Pull back a little bit. Let me get it right underneath that candle. And I'm gonna put my take profit around halfway to 1.5 around there. And if it stops me out, oh well. I have a tight stop underneath the low of this candle because I do know that we're super overbought, dude. I do know that. And let me move it to 1.5. That's around there. But if it gets stopped out, that's fine. That's first trade of the day. Oof, we're playing it tight right here. But that's the reason why I played it tight underneath the low of this candle right there. I have to. Because I know we're super overbought. And this is a pretty risky play because we already moved up so much already. Let's see if I get stopped out. That's fucking crazy. This thing just gave me blue balls by like a tick. It gave me blue balls by like a tick. So let's see what happens. I'm just gonna leave my stop there. That's fine. If it stops me out, oh well. Shoot or shoot. Shoot or shoot, dude. Shoot or shoot. Don't be a bitch. Uh, oh my god. Did it stop me out? Trade number one. So I got one more trade. Oh shit. Wait, bro. That one is the news candle pending home sales. My fault. My fault. Damn, 2011. I should have been paying attention to the chat. Fucking, I totally forgot we have data at 10 a.m., bro. My fault. I was talking a lot on the fucking chat and I got distracted. Oh well, it happens. Just have to shoot more carefully. Uh, yeah. Now I notice it's the fucking news candle because I was fucking talking to you guys. I was fucking talking to you guys. I didn't even fucking notice it was 10 a.m. So obviously I wouldn't even fucking take that trade. Damn. Whatever, bro. It's all good. I'm not gonna stress about it. It already happened. It already happened. So now we're just gonna wait. You missed my previous chat about how to enter trade. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? If RSI stays as hot, take another short off the highs. Um, I don't know, Moto, because we're trailing to we're it's under 60, so we're coming down. Uh. Okay, so we're just gonna wait and see what happens now. What a bummer, bro. What a bummer. That was my fuck up that I traded that candle. Can you please share your thoughts on that? Share my thoughts on what? You need to elaborate it. Oh, okay. What specific you look to enter the trade after you enter? How do you manage the trade? I mean, like, do you watch 1 in 15 minute on the other monitor? Oh, okay. So the way that I see how to take a trade, first and foremost, number one, the thing that I do is we primarily trade the 5 minute. I always have the 5 minute on, and all of my decisions are based on the 5 minute. Um, if my indicators are green and we have Tiny AI that's green, then that's when I take the trade. The reason, so as regards for stop loss, it all depends on the different trades. For example, this one, even though I know that if you look at over here, we're overbought, super overbought. It may not show it here, but we are trending fucking high. And we're super cooked. So, and I know taking this trade design is a risky play. I know that already. So that's why I decided to, instead of having my stop loss where all the way over here where Tiny AI is, or where it was around there, I just put it underneath the low of that same candle to manage my risk because I know that it's a risky play. As far as like standard stop losses, I know, that I back test a lot, so I know how the instruments and the tickers move and how much room you need, and that's how I base my stop losses. I'm always refining like my breathing rooms of always seeing how it moves, what works, always refining that blade. Um as far as anything else, I look at the 15 and the 30 minute as well. I align those to take A plus setups. So on the 15, obviously we're uptrending and price actions away from the EMAs. That's a great indicator for me that going long on the 5 minute is a great A plus setup, as well as the 30 minute. We're above the 200 and we're above the EMAs. That just gives me reference that we are uptrending. So it lets me know that if I take a long on the 5 minute and everything else is trending up, obviously that's an A plus setup for me. Um, with the knowledge that I know so far, I much rather ride the trend of the of like a bigger time frame of a 15 and a 30, um, because I'm just a cog in the wheel and it's easier to go with the trend. I mean, technically, you already know this because you're above the 200 on the 5 minute. So technically, you don't need the 15 or the 30 minute. You can just stay on the five because remember, don't overcomplicate it. All we do is trade the 5 minute. All we do is trade the 5 minute, regardless of the 15 and the 30. I still trade the 5 minute no matter what. I don't let anything else cloud my judgment at all. Um, so I hope that helps 2011 of how I see what trades to take. Um, it's a lot of back testing, bro. It's a lot of back testing and tweaking different things. I'm back testing every day. Fortunately, I'm very grateful that I have the time to back test hours upon hours a day. It's just, bro, it's just gonna fucking take time, bro. After back testing so many hours, I noticed that it's just gonna fucking take time, bro. There's no way around it. There's no way around it. You have to keep putting in the work. And with all the work that I've put in so far, I realized it's gonna take some fucking time, bro. This shit's really hard. I mean, the reality is that trading is really hard. That's the reality. Yeah, we have Tine AI to simplify it for us, but at the end of the day, you can't control what a candle does. You can't control what the market does. You could be green on a trade, and next thing you know, somebody on fucking Citadel decides to fucking drop uh 500 million shares of fucking Tesla, bringing down the SPY, and you can't do shit about it. So the reality is it's simple, but it's not simple. If you catch my drift. I got it, bro. Thank you for your detailed answers. I really love how you explain, man. Thanks a lot. No problem, dude. No problem. Explaining things out loud is making me a better trader. It's making me a better trader. Okay, so this trade design is still holding. Still holding. Still holding. So I'm gonna keep watching it and see what it does because it's still holding. Yeah, Tiny Eyes flashing yellow. We came back down to the 13, held it, and now we're coming up again. So I am gonna do one more trade here, and I'm just gonna trust the system. Let me see here before I enter. I have to look at something right here. All right, can't overcomplicate it. Just gotta take the trade. Right there, and we're gonna target once again. Try to target the 1.5, and we're gonna see what she does. And if she doesn't give it to me, well, oh well. I did the best I could with the knowledge that I have. I still got a trade design. Yes, it's yellow, but we're going bullish. I mean, if you remove this right here, RSI Spear Strength is still green. It's still green. MACD is still green. So, hey, man. Shoot or shoot, man. Shoot or shoot. You can't be afraid to take your shot. If it doesn't go well, oh fucking well, bro. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. By the way, even if I fail this trade right here, I'm probably gonna I can afford one more trade. I'm not gonna fucking count. The 10 a.m. candle. I'm just not. I'm not gonna fucking count that shit because that was just a fuck up that I did. I didn't notice it was 10 a.m. and it stopped me out. Obviously, I wasn't trading to my rules. I'm not gonna count that shit. Yeah, I took the L, but it is what it is, bro. Wait till close over the level. Um, you can do that too. If you wanna be very, very sure, you can do that too. You can do that too. But you gotta be mindful that if you break past the level, you're already halfway over the 1-to-1. So it's a double-edged sword. We still got everything green, so don't be scared to shoot your shot. But if you want to, if we do have right here, a Tesla level rejected, Tesla level rejected. So we got two rejections off of here. You could easily wait for a break of that level to have even more confirmation. You go to 1348 Legends, Super Trend. I'm pretty sure it's still green, right? It's still green, right? Yeah, Super Trend is still green. So you have multiple confirmations that your trade is good to go. So scary money don't make no money, baby. Scary money don't make no money. So yeah, it's all up to you. It's all up to you. As long as you manage your risks, I mean, you're Gucci, right? So I'm gonna move my stop up already, put it underneath that low of that candle. Just keep managing my risk. That's all I can do. Just keep managing the risk and I'll be all right, right? So we're gonna put our stop right there underneath the low of this 1010 candle, and we're just gonna let that bitch ride. I went long on MNQ on a 13 bounce again, paying. Yep. We got a 13 EMA bounce right here too. But it's respecting that level. Good shit, Moto. No, earlier, um, even if my stop was tight or wide, it doesn't matter because I played the data candle. So, um, either way, it was a horrible trade. I mean, just because the 15 and 30 are bullish, doesn't it this shit can change at the drop of a dime. Just be mindful of that. It can change at a drop of a dime. It's just good confirmation that yeah, we're bullish. So obviously we're getting rejected off this level and we're gonna get stopped out again. So after this one right here, I got one more trade and we're gonna cut it. Because like I said, we're disciplined. This is a fucking massive candle, so you can't control what the fucking massive candle does at all. But I mean, I'm managing my risk, right? I have my stop loss. I'm protected for just in case the shit knives. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, it's slowly selling off. Let me see. But yeah, it's coming down. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out. Leave our stop there. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Will the 13 hold it? Will the 13 hold it? I don't know because we're will the 13 hold it? That's fine. What's up, everybody coming in? Good morning, y'all. How you guys doing? I'm doing the opposite of making money. We're losing money. And that's cool, bro. That's cool. Either way, I'm still having fun. You have to enjoy your journey, bro. You have to enjoy the journey. Just wanted to share my experience with Tiny Eye. If we play one micro and put our stop, I suggest the stop works. Winning trade 7 out of 8 times. Yeah, trading time works. Trading Titan works. Why? I mean, that's exactly why I'm here, Trading Titan, and I know, and I totally believe in the system and everything that it does. And we have RSI coming down, and it's probably gonna go right here to try Tiny Eye stop. So all good. It's all good. I'm not fucking crying about it. I'm not crying about it. You can't control a fucking major candle. Is trend thrust not being used anymore? Yeah, it's still being used. You can still use it. It's the same thing. As MACD. Um, it smooths out the price action. It's everything that he provides. It's all options. It's all options. You paper handed this for MNQ. Got 3%. Good shit, Knight. Good shit. You paper handed on this MNQ top. Meaning that you shorted up here, Moto, to come back down. Hey, man, I don't give a fuck if it's paper handing, but if you're green, that's all that matters. Bro, look at the original stop loss on Tiny Eye, still intact, not breached. Let me see. What do you mean, bro? It hit it. Take a look at the original stop loss on Tiny Eye. Oh, right here, all the way over here, bro. That's fucking far, bro. That's all the way down to like the fucking 48. That's a big ass fucking gap of risk. That's damn near, coming all the way down to the past the 48. That's damn near like another trend. That's damn near another trend. Yeah, that's way too much breathing room. At least for my taste. At least for my taste. I much rather follow tiny eye trailing stop to mitigate my risks even smaller. So we're just gonna hang out. So market's not doing shit right now. It's not doing shit. Everything is coming back down from those massive clumps. Yeah, we're not doing nothing. We're not doing nothing. This already made its move. This already made its move. I mean, we're not doing nothing. We're not doing nothing, bro, to be honest with you. This already made its move. We're not doing shit, bro. So, there's nothing to trade. So don't force any trades at all. Don't force any trades at all. Technically, I did one trade because I'm not gonna fucking count this one. I didn't even notice that it was 10 a.m. We got a trade design here. Entered, got stopped out, and that's it for me. That's it for me. Gotta wait for it to come back and show its hand. The gamer still no trades for me. Good, good. You're being a way more disciplined trader than me. Good. I'm happy that you didn't trade. That is where micro is winning compared to mini with Tine AI. Uh, yeah. Playing micros gives you wider stops. It does. It gives you wider stops. Um, how much breathing room is from how many ticks is that? Because usually I take so far like 30, between 40 30 ticks of risk on the Russell and YM. And that's 65. That's a lot of breathing room. That's a lot of breathing room, dude. But I mean, it just goes to show that Tiny Eye is giving you those recommended stops because of how the market is moving. With big ass movements like that, you need bigger stops. But yeah, but for 57 ticks, that's a fucking lot. That's a fucking lot. I play between 40 and 30-ish on the Russell and YM. So far, that's like for so far from what I have seen, that's enough breathing room for it to do its thing and not give you massive losses. Yeah, we have I mean, like I said, we're trading the 5 minute and it's trending down. RSI is just nosediving, going down to 50. You got a MACD cross, so yeah, we're just coming on down. We're just coming on down. What's MNQ doing? It's doing a whole lot of fucking whipsaw. God damn, bro. How do you even stomach these candles, dude? Dude, huge candle, pullback, huge candle, pullback. Well, now it's gonna be another huge candle. God damn, that shit's crazy, bro. It's that's wow. I'm surprised that there's like not a bigger stop loss for I guess the stop loss right here is for the data that Tiny I had from these candles right here. But these massive ass fucking swings, that shit needs a fucking 100 tick stop loss and shit. It needs a big ass stop loss. Yeah, today is gonna be one of those very patient days of he's gotta wait and see what you do. Where I'm from, I was born and raised in Miami. My parents are Nicaraguan though. What about you? Where are you from? Yes, NQ is wild. NQ is very wild. Might be another no trade day for me like yesterday. Bro, that's awesome. That's awesome. For me, I view that as a win. If you're not losing money, that's a win. If you're not losing money, that's a win, bro. If you're not comfortable with taking a trade, don't put your hard-earned money at risk. I think that's an absolute win. You're from Chicago? Oh, the Windy City. I went to Chicago, was it like two times, right? I think I went two times or three times. I went to Chicago. Um, those deep dish pizzas, gas. I only stayed around, like literally Chicago. I was not going past the fucking city lines of Chicago to go into the hood and get my ass shot up. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I was not doing that. So I was just being a little tourist and staying within the city limits of Chicago. I ain't fucking not seen that. Yeah, right. That shit crazy, bro. Am I right or am I wrong? The 24 caught it. So far, so good. Let's see what else are these things doing? Damn, YM is just taking off, bro. It hit the 13 and never looked back. That shit just fucking kept going. That's why I live in the suburbs. Yeah, bro, you have to. You have to. Don't put your life at risk. Good. I remember I went to Lollapalooza. Um, this is like bro, this is a long time ago when I went to Lollapalooza. I think it was like has to been like 5 years ago that I went to Lollapalooza. And then I went to the gas station. I didn't want to, but I after I finished Lollapalooza, I went to the gas station because I needed to put some gas and get something to drink and something to eat because I was fucking thirsty and hungry. Man, I was so paranoid. There was like people chilling in front of the gas station, the loitering and loitering. I'm just like, bro, don't let me get shot today, bro. Or stabbed or robbed. I'm not in the fucking mood, bro. I just got a little palooza. I'm tired of shit. Don't do this to me. But it turned out just fine. It turned out just fine. Yeah, man, market's not doing a damn thing. It's not doing a damn thing. It's just consolidating. It's just consolidating, waiting to see what it wants to do after this big ass reaction. So if you haven't taken a trade today, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. I think that was the best decision you can do. Because playing these data days are very risky. They're very risky. So I'm not mad at that. And if you did take a trade and you got lost on the day, well, maybe you should consider ending it for the day. Bounce off the 13 strong today on MES. Maybe. Clapped you will get if strapped you are not. That's the fucking Jedi way in Chicago. Strapped you will get if strapped you are not. Goddamn wise words from Chris. For real, dude. Um, by the way, CPU, are you talking the strong bounce off the 13? I mean, I'm looking at it differently because we still have RSI below its moving average, and we have so many wicks just touching, 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 touching. Like, if you get like a nice, pretty candle body bounce off of it, then I can agree. With RSI coming up, then I'll agree if that's a strong bounce off the 13. Then I'll agree with that. But this right here was a strong bounce of the 13, but that was 930. Came down here, and the bodies are just been touching the EMAs, like touch, 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 touch. Yeah, it's trending up, but it's trending up so fucking choppy, so ugly. Let's go back here. Let's see what you do. We still got a trade design up. Hey, 2011. Look, yeah. Hey, man. If I'm pretty sure, like you said, you had your stop here. You're still in the play. You're still in the play. So if you're still in the play, hey, good for you, dude. So, okay, this now that's what I call a strong bounce off the 13 right there. Full candle body bounce. Very nice. RSI above. MACD still a little wishy-washy, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not comfortable with it. I already got burnt twice on it, so all good. Yeah, I don't like what it's showing here. I want more green. And you don't have green candles yet. So obviously, I mean, we're not going to take this play, right? Obviously, we're not going to take this play. Yeah, I got one more trail in a day, and I'm gonna make sure I don't have that much patience. Well, if you want to be a successful trader, dude, I think you should have some patience, or at least learn how to get some patience, because bro, you have to be patient to be successful in this market, bro. You have to be. For my 3 years experience that I have in this market, so far, what I see, you definitely need some patience. You're in 2011. Good shit, bro. So we're showing some strength right here. Now we're liking it. So I'm gonna enter at the break of that level there. Even though it's a little far away from the EMAs that I don't like, but I'm gonna enter again at the break of this level. This time playing smarter. And that'll be it for me. But yeah, Larry. Yeah, if you're patiently waiting for an A plus setup, I mean, you have to have some patience, bro. You just have to. There's no way around it, bro. There's no way around it. Okay, so we have the LED strip on Tiny Eye turning green. It went from yellow to green, so it's showing some strength. I just need a break of this level. Bam, we're going in again. Yep, YM printed. Okay, we got a new trade design. If I can get a break of this level, then then I'm going in again for my final trade. We got a green candle. Just break above it. I mean to take profit, jump in and get out. Yeah. All right, let me concentrate. Let's see if we can break this level, and I'm going in. 20 seconds on this candle. Everything is green. We're getting a MACD cross, green RSI. We pulled back to the EMAs, coming back up. Green candle, trade design. Go, 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 go. I stop down a Tiny Eye trailing stop, and we're gonna target higher. That's 20. Let's see. And we're just gonna manage our risk. All right, this is my last trade of the day. We got a candle break above the level. Green, green, green. Shooter, shoot. Take your shot. Bro, there can't be more data. What do you mean there's more data? I thought there was only data at 10 a.m. Bro, don't tell me that shit again. That I'm fucking playing data. Bro, I could have sworn there was only data at 10 a.m. What data are you talking about? Well, shit. See, this what I mean about you know being patient and you're doing the best you can with what you know. I'm taking the trade design. That's my plan. Everything is green, and then I shoot my shot. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. So, even if it goes, click, you don't consider that you're playing to daily highs. Um, I do, but that's fine. That's fine. What day is it? 27th. There's only data at 10 a.m., dude. Gil, you're too funny. I try to be. This is unknown territory. What does that mean? Let's see what she does. Gabe makes it look too easy. I mean, yeah, I mean, but he has like 16 years of experience, dude. I only have three. I'm not. I'm still a fledgling trader, bro. And I understand that, and that's the reason why I'm so patient, and I'm just appreciating my journey. Um, dude, because I'm just doing the best with what I know, bro. Um, and like I've always told you guys, bro, I'm way better than who I was last week, and next week I'm gonna be way better than who I am today. So, I don't give a fuck about what happens today. Oh, I got fucking two losers in a row. I don't care, bro. I don't care. As long as I keep managing my risk and just doing the best I possibly can, that's all that matters, bro. That's all that matters. But that's why, um, I decided to get extra help and go to trade camp. But that's all the way in August. So I still got from now to August to just keep thugging it out with my own fucking grit, making this shit work brick by brick. Why did I take the trade? Um, the reason I took the trade is because we got a break of this level finally. We got rejected, wishy-washy price action. EMA bounce, came back. Um, green, 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 green ribbon, shoot or shoot. So I'm gonna manage my risk more, and we're gonna put it to whatever trailing stop is, and now it's moving down. So that's fine. Manage my risk. I'll leave it right there and just keep doing this thing. Seems like yes, turning red. Probably. Probably. The price action, just like yesterday, too many levels on MNQ. That's exactly why. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So if I was trading MNQ and there was too many levels, I wouldn't even take a trade. But there's only one level right here that I see, so I'm comfortable with taking the trade. And we got a break of that level, and the level's not holding. So you not at origin. What does that mean? What does that mean? I'm gonna mitigate my risk even more, and I'm probably gonna put it higher at the entry just to mitigate my risk more. We're just gonna put our stop loss higher to cut some risk off, and that'll be my last trade of the day. Obviously, it's coming on down and it's not working. Um, and I'm identifying that it's not working, so I'm just gonna move up my risk. As soon as I see it not working, I'm gonna choke that shit, bro. Good for you, Philip. Good for you. Belly, positive journey. Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. I think he means entry line. Um, I wanted a break of that level. That's why I didn't enter upon entry line because there's a level right there, and I'm not gonna risk it. So I wanted a break of it. We got a break of it, and it didn't hold. So, yeah, we're gonna leave our stop there. Yeah, 2011. Yeah, I don't like price action right now either. Price action's wishy-washy. Price action is reacting whack as hell. Where is the cross? The cross is at your local church where Jesus is. That's where the cross is. All right, I'm cutting this shit, bro. We're gonna put. I'm just gonna cut it to the bottom of that candle, and if it comes back, if it comes down to it, fucking oh well. I don't like this price action. Obviously, it's not doing shit. I can fucking clearly see that it's not doing anything. So we're just gonna put it right there. Get me the fuck out of this trade, and I'll be out. I'm not gonna leave my stop loss all the way over here when price action is not doing a damn thing. Why lose more money when I know nothing is happening? Nothing is happening, so I'm not gonna. Call it a day. You should be too. Um, yeah, I actually started reading the Bible like last month. I'm on the story of Numbers. Yeah, 2011. Just be mindful that we still trade the 5 minute. Yeah, the 15 and 30, it's trending bullish, but if the 5 minutes all choppy, it doesn't fucking matter. It's just gonna stop you out. But yeah. See, I mean, in my opinion, it's a good thing that I just move up my risk to the bottom of that candle. Because clearly I can see that price action's not doing anything at all. It's just stalling in one area. Why would I have my stop here and lose more money? Fuck that shit. I'm not here to fucking lose a whole bunch of money. I'm gonna fucking look at that shit. It's coming right back down. I'm not gonna fucking look, and I would have been stopped out right there and I would have lost more money. So if I don't like what price action is doing and installing one area, fuck that shit, bro. I'm gonna choke that bitch. I don't fucking care. I'm not in the business to lose money. I'm not in the business to lose money. ES closed below the 13 with down trade design. Look out for a good entry. I'm waiting another long on MES. Maybe. You need a break of that 48, but you have to be mindful of this level right there. Just be mindful of that. It's weird because the Russell's running up. Yeah, it's weird, but it is what it is. So, well, we had our second losing day in a row. All good. It doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't matter, bro. All I know is that fucking 6 months from now, I'm gonna be green. It doesn't fucking matter. It's all good, bro. If you lost today, who fucking cares, bro? Who fucking cares? You're straight. No worries, baby. You're all good. All right. I'm gonna log out of my computer so I don't lose any more money. So, peace out, guys. Happy trading. And please, if you're chopped up, just fucking cut it and don't lose any more money, bro. Yep. Tomorrow's another day. It's all good. All right, guys. Say la vie. Peace out, bro. Bros and girls. See ya.